Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's Double Knitted Brioche ebook. This particular tutorial shows you how to work the left-leaning single decrease with setup in stocking stitch double knitted brioche. I've already worked the setup in the previous row, so I've worked back to the point where you can see I've got my two adjacent knit-coloured knit stitches under their one single shared yarn over, and followed by my two adjacent pearl coloured knit stitches. All stitches are knit, of course, being stocking stitch, sitting under their shared yarn over, and this is the point where I want to work the decrease. So as always, I've got my knit coloured yarn here in my sitting to the right of my pearl coloured yarn, and that is over the top of the right needle, sitting at the back of the work, and my pearl coloured yarn is sitting at the front. First thing to do then, you slip one stitch with the shared yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right, and that looks like that. Then you slip just the shared yarn over without any stitches, also knitwise from the right needle to the left. That means coming across the front of it there and going in from front to back and slipping it across on its own without that stitch, leaving it there on the right needle. Then you slip the next stitch, also with the shared yarn over, also knitwise, and again from the left needle to the right. That's going in from the front to back, from left to right, that way. Then you slip both stitches with their shared yarn over together and purlwise from the right needle to the left. Then using my knit coloured yarn, knit the next two stitches with the shared yarn over together and through the back legs. All we've done is remount those with those first few steps, and now we're just going to knit those three strands, the two stitches with the shared yarn over, together through the back legs, like that. Then you take your pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle, and you bring your knit coloured yarn to the front of the work, coming between the two needles. Then it goes to the back of the work again, going over the top of the right needle. Then using your pearl coloured yarn, knit the next two stitches together with the shared yarn over, just like an ordinary knit two tog, using the pearl coloured yarn and including that shared yarn over. And that has decreased our stitch count by one pair of stitches. They're all knit stitches, so it's kind of hard to see what's going on, but you can see these two columns of brown stitches here coming to a left leaning decrease there, which is very nice. And then we've matched that with a right leaning decrease with these two columns of blue knit stitches. This one tucks under the brown there and then comes together into that one there. So the two decreases lean in towards each other. And that's how you work the left leaning single decrease with setup in stocking stitch double knitted brioche. Zip!